Wait a second. Nope. We gotta light the candles and sing happy birthday.
Okay, but where's...
Don't touch it. Get your fingers out. Get out.
I'm gonna...
Oh, surprise.
Thank you! That's it!
Oh.
Give me cake!
It's a princess! Happy birthday, Kelly!
Birthday!
face,
But look! Look, the bus all covered blue.
Huh?
Blue.
What you say?
So covered blue?
Yeah, it's blue. Happy birthday, Kelly!
take it out.
Very nice.
Let's take it out and we gotta put candles.
Okay.
Alright?
Say! Diane and Mom, don't put your fingers in the cake.
Okay.
Very nice. Very nice, my lord. You gonna blow out the candle now?
Yeah.
Very nice.
Can't wait. Can't wait for my birthday.
You happy your birthday, Tia?
Yeah.
Grandma's is what? The 29th?
Yeah.
What is that? Wednesday, Friday?
No.
Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
That's how I gotta open my candle.
What?
My candle.
Your candle.
That's matches over there. That's okay.
Mommy's gonna do it for you,
Look
Kelly.
at this, okay?
Mommy's gonna do it for you.
And Mom, what's that?
Watch it, her hair's going. Watch your hair is going in the cake. Sit down. That's to light the candle. We're gonna sing for you.
Okay. Let me put the candle.
Put this on his hair and her hair. Because maybe when you turn the candle,
Don't put that one on the floor.
It's
That's
gonna-
rubbish if you drop it. You can't put that in the cake. Like this. Just give him a...
it's gonna burn her hair maybe.
Let your mother do it because they're going to keep dropping them and then you got to throw them away. Alright, that's it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Tie her hair.
Here comes the other thing.
Why so many
Yeah,
candles?
we put the...
What is this?
Oh.
Wow, what are those?
That goes in the cake too. They're candles. Alright, not too far in. Put easy. Alright. And this one... Back in. Alright.
Wow, thank
Are we
you.
ready?
Yeah, thank you.
Alright, watch them. No, you can't touch this. This is fire. It's hot.
Wait. Don't put her hair. She's gonna lean over. And it's
Stop it.
gonna
Do
fall.
it. Do it.
I can't wait.
Mm-hmm.
You can't wait?
Mm.
No, you can't wait. It ain't working. It's not working? It burns up fast. Right? Oh, we got one lit. Alright. That's a good one. Melting in it. Come on, man. 3, 4.
This activates the emulsion on the letter and the area outside the optic. What's not shielded from the light by the film sensor. This exposed emulsion hardens, forming a minute holes between the screen's fibers. At first, you see the result. Elsewhere in the factory,
8,
check the aluminum panels on which the sign
9,
That's 10, Haley.
10.
Ready?
Yeah.
Wait, we're gonna
Happy
sing.
birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Haley. Happy birthday to you.
Yay!
Hey, bravo.
Go, go, go. Harder, harder. Go ahead, harder.
Harder, harder.
Go,
Don't get too close.
go. Hurry up, go.
Get close.
Go ahead.
She asked her wish.
You gotta make a wish.
I have to make a wish.
Don't tell nobody. Just make a wish.
Okay.
What
now
do you
go.
wish for?
I wish for chocolate cake.
Okay. Yay!
Yeah, bravo, bravo. We love you. Happy birthday, my love. Mwah.
Thank you.
Love you. Love you. Love you. Now we're gonna eat the cake, okay? You like the cake, Haley? It looks delicious, right?
Yum.
Put this away.
Yum. Yummy.
Hmm?
Can't wait to
Sit
eat
down,
it.
sit down. You're gonna knock it out.
Very hot.
Can't wait to
Very
eat
hot.
it.
All right, sit down. Sit down. Ready?
Yeah.
Oh, you know what?
What?
I got princess plate.
Yay! That's great.
If I could open it.
It's not like Patrick, huh?
Easy, girl. One for you, one for Grandma, one for Daddy, one for Mommy, the princess. Look, Haley. She's a princess. Oh, yeah. She's the biggest princess of all. Yay. All right, put that up. Open it. I don't know what you want, fork or spoon or...
For her, a spoon. For me, fork.
The cream thing is artificial. What do you want? Get the cutter. Want a spoon?
No.
Here, hold it with me. You get
Go
to
ahead.
cut the first
That's
piece.
okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
Yep. All right. Is Haley's piece?
Yeah.
I thought there was just the flowers on them.
No.
They fooled you, right, Haley? Give me a plate. There we go.
Wow, it looks delicious.
Thank you.
You eat it with milk, Haley. It's delicious with milk.
Yeah. Thank you.
Here, honey bunny. Here, take a spoon or a fork. What do you want?
I got a spoon.
Love you, Haley.
No fork.
Happy birthday, Haley.
Thank you.
Love you.
What else is in it?
Bye.
Hot.
Bye.